Good evening, all the participants and all the leadership. At the outset, I thank our area leader, Lion Bhimaya, multiple council chairperson, Dr. Prakash Rao, our area leader for LCIF, Lion Dr. Babu Rao, and the coordinator of this webinar, M. Nagaraju, for inviting me to interact with you to, I would say, introduce the Global Action Team purposes and the overview about Global Action Team to you this evening. At the outset, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for being elected and for being invited to serve on the field of the Global Action Team. I always call each and every person who is involved in Global Action Team as the field team, because it is you who are going to make the action happen. Of course, we have our club president who will be producing the action, but you are going to be their motivator, their guide, and their resource person. So I take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you for assuming this new designation. I welcome each and every one of you for joining this evening in this very important program organized by our area leader. At this juncture, let me tell you, we have a very long, I would say, large expectation from Multiple District 320. And you may ask me one question. Why do we have very big expectation? It is only because of our area leader, Lion Bhimaya Jagini's sincerity, devotion, and dedication to any job that has been given to him. I had an experience of working with him throughout the Lionistic year 2019-2020, and I've seen him that he has been always first in the entire constitutional area, whether it was planning, whether it was reporting, or whether it was organizing any event. He was instantly responding. And I would go little further to congratulate the Global Action Team, field team of 2019 and 2020, because it was not for you, Bhimaya would not have been ranking first in each and every endeavor that he undertook under Global Action Team. My congratulations and compliments. I would request all of you to kindly, wherever you're sitting, applaud Bhimaya very loudly, and I'm sure because that gives him encouragement. And during our incoming year, 2020-21, I'm sure he will go a step further and bring more laurels to our multiple district. Bhimaya, congratulations and best wishes for 2021 to you also.
Thank you very much.
We have another leader, Babu Rao, who is also a very dedicated lion, and I'm sure he has created miracles in LCIF, and he will continue doing it also. My best wishes, Babu Rao, for Campaign 100 and for your LCIF program. Congratulations and all the best, Babu Rao, to you also. At this juncture, I would like to compliment all the district governors, District Governor-elect Manoj Purohit, District Governor-elect Durgamani Survi, District Governor-elect Krishnamurthy Kampela, District Governor-elect G.B. Suryaraj, District Governor-elect Dr. Mohan Reddy Yanala, District Governor-elect Dr. Lakshmi Narasimha Rao Tamera, and District Governor-elect Dr. Srinivas Reddy Guram. We have very high expectation from each of you, leader, I would say the chairperson of the Global Action Team of your respective district. I'll speak to you about the chairperson of the district of the Global Action Team. But however, my Global Action Team chairpersons, congratulations, compliments for the confidence that your district has reposed in you. And I'm sure you will lead them. And of course, the goals that you have set, the dreams that you have seen will definitely get accomplished. We are all there as your shadow behind you to make your dreams come true. Again, I would like to compliment the DG team, the first Vice Governor and second Vice Governor. I'm sure the way MD 320 works, or the way all our district work, it is always a teamwork. At this juncture, I would like to compliment all the GAT coordinators, GLT, GMT, GST coordinators, for the confidence that your district governor has reposed in you in I would say, allocating a very important position in your district to guide your clubs to the success. My compliments and congratulations to the team of Global Action Team, all the coordinators, and I wish you all the best throughout the year 2021. Let me begin that we have all, you may be wondering that it is just the month of June and how this things are happening. We are still trying to train we are also still trying to put our team in place, and this training has come up. Let me tell you, as I told you, we are there to make the district governor realize their dreams. And while planning, we wish that the training of the Global Action Team coordinator should take place in time, because shortly your presidents will have their action plan ready. They will start their execution.
June.
Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Good.
We are hearing.
Good. All the presidents will start their functioning right from 1st of July, I'm aware. And before that, see the culture of Global Action Team, let me first introduce before I go to the overview, that we are always there ahead of time. The president is going to act from 1st of July. Now we are there behind him before he starts functioning. Why before? Because we are there to assist him to, to plan his action or to plan his goal. We need to assist him. Similarly, the area leaders are there to assist the district governors in, I would say, making their action plan or making their goals. It is not that we would be supporting after they have finalized something and then we realize that, oh, we were not realistic. So the area leaders are there behind the district governors to assist him to really make their goals. Similarly, what I expect, the Global Action Team coordinators, of course, the chairman is the district governor, but district governor may have many things in his basket to do for the year 2021. So it is important that all the coordinators try to approach each and every club, interact with the presidents. Of course, there is going to be a loop as zone chairperson and region chairperson, who will be the link. And just, I'll come to that point also a little later, but they are the links. So coordinators, what I would request you, through the zone chairperson and region chairperson, you try to develop a link with each and every president and also help him to, make ambitious goals. Give him confidence that whatever you dream, whatever you plan, we are there to support you. We will give you the resources. We will give you the guidance so that you can easily realize your goal. Now, in the beginning, if the president is not prepared, if he has not planned his goal, I'm doubtful how he will have a direction to reach to that goal. And that is why our role starts, I would say, proactive role. Before they work, our role starts. And that is how this seminar has been organized. Let me tell you, we already had 2 meetings with all our area leaders. Then we had recently, yesterday, we had a meeting with the entire leadership of our CA6, all the PIDs, PIPs, and our international directors. We had a meeting with them, and they have all assured us that as a Global Action Team ambassadors, they will play an active role in promoting the Global Action Team initiative and assisting the governors also. They have also taken a leap that they will go on their assignments. They will have meetings with the past district governors. I'm sure Bhimaiah you will organize a meeting with all the past district governors in your area as the Global Action Team ambassadors, and take help of your past international director, Lion Sunil Kumar, to train them as to their responsibilities as Global Action Team ambassadors. And this is how the entire team is going to work towards the success of each and every district governor. Of course, district governors, I would appeal to you that on 19th of June, we have organized a Global Action Team presentation for all the district governors. Please ensure that you are present for that meeting also. It is going to be a different meeting than what I'm going to talk to you today. It will be totally different. There we are going to guide you how to get Global Action Team success, council meetings, how you should participate, how you should be giving the feedback, and all those things will be discussed on 19th when we meet for our meeting. Now, with this introductory remark, I would request, I would now little go further to the, to the presentation of overview of the Global Action Team. Now, this presentation will take you through the journey of Global Action Team. This is not only the beginning. I will be going through what Global Action Team is all about, and we will be discussing some of the things which will take you to June 2021. So, and for that, be attentive, and I'm sure you can take down the points also, and you will get this presentation from Bimaya, and you can start making your action plan for the whole year. The coordinators, I would request you that without a plan, without an action plan, without a goal, it is very difficult to, to progress. Because Global Action Team is not only one-day job. It is a continuous job. You will be connected to the club president day in and day out, and you will be supporting the clubs. 1 minute. Just a minute. My PowerPoint, let me see why it is not. Okay. So, let me tell you, I'm audible, no? Bimaya? Bimaya?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
You are audible, sir.
Okay. Can you see my second slide on the screen? Can everyone see the second slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
great.
New slide. Yes.
Yeah. Now, what I have been telling again and again and again, that ultimately Lions Clubs International believes, and of course all of you believe, that anything that has to happen happens at the club level. And that is why you can see the structure of the Global Action Team. It is from the club perspective. We have given most importance to the Global Action Team chairperson, and that is the club president. And that is what we should be remembering in and day out. The Global Action Team chairperson is supported by his three colleagues: the first vice president or the leadership chairperson, GLT coordinator, similarly GMT coordinator, membership chairperson, and GST service chairperson. This is how the team is going to build. Now let me come 1 minute here. Please remember that when it is a synergy, when it is a teamwork, the results are phenomenal. And we always keep on insisting that it has to be a teamwork. If we try to isolate GMT, GLT, and GST, even at the club level, the results will be limited. And that is what I will come to you a little later, how this teamwork will help the entire club to develop or to grow. That we will come to know little later. Now, when we say club is the most important element of the Global Action Team or the LCI success. Now, how to reach each and every club? Now, if every district governor or you as a coordinator, if you try to reach each and every club, it is going to be difficult. Maybe you can approach a president once in a month, once in a week, but there are officers who are day in and day out in connection with the club presidents and the GMT, GLT, GST coordinator. And they are the region chairpersons and zone chairpersons. Unless and until we activate them, or unless and until we use fully this loop that we have for two-way communication. Whatever Lions Clubs International plans through the district governor and through you, we would like to reach each and every club chairperson, club president, and the three GAD chairpersons in their club. So zone chairperson and region chairperson will be your main link to reach the club. Now going a little further, region chairperson and zone chairperson, before that all the three coordinators, your team is led by our district governor. And as I said, all the district governors are the Global Action Team chairperson. Now all of you are aware of it, but what has been happening in past, that everybody is aware of it, but that role is not been, I would say, not been played to 100%. The Global Action Team chairperson, district governor. Now my appeal to all the 7 district governor-elect who are present here, you have a very important role to play in this Global Action Team success. You are the chairperson of the Global Action Team of your district. All your district coordinators you have appointed, and you can't just leave them high and dry. Of course, they will be taken care by the multiple district coordinators, and of course, our efficient area leader, Lion Bhimaiah, is going to be in regular touch with these district coordinators. But my request to you as a chairperson, regularly have your Global Action Team Global Action Team review meeting. Now these review meetings can take place at the cabinet meeting, and even before the cabinet meeting, regularly if you invite these 3 gentlemen, GLT, GMT, GST coordinator, and from time to time take evaluation as to the success of your goals. You may have set the goals, you will set the goals. Our Bhimaiah will support you in setting your goal and making your action plan. But just making goal is not going to be sufficient. Regularly, you visit your goals along with your GMT, GLT, GST coordinator and review those goals, find out the successes, find out the challenges that you are facing. Also, identify how can we support you. Your feedback to upper level from multiple coordinator to area leader, and through area leader it will come to me. And of course, let me tell you, our entire staff at headquarters, also our entire staff at Mumbai office is ready to serve you, and whatever is your need, that will be supplied to you. Please be assured and don't hesitate. अरे इतना मुझे नहीं समझता, मैं ये कैसे बात करूं, मैं ये पूछूंगा तो हमारे एरिया लीडर को क्या लगेगा, मुझे इतना नहीं। डोंट हेजिटेट। आप कुछ भी छोटी सी छोटी चीज आपके गोल से रिलेटेड है, आप हम तक पहुंचाइए, और ये हमारा फर्ज रहेगा कि वी विल सी दैट मैक्सिमम सपोर्ट इज प्रोवाइडेड to the district through the district coordinator to the clubs. I understand that, I feel that you have understood up to this level. Of course, now going a little further, if we talk of multiple, I'm aware that your multiple council chairperson is not yet elected, but Dr. Prakash Rao, you are aware what is the important role of a council chairperson. You as a multiple district action team chairperson at multiple level, you will be in regular touch with the district governors and see that you get the reports from each and every district in time. My little reservations, not in your multiple district, but other places, that getting reports from districts through the multiple coordinator is a very, very big challenge for my area leader. On behalf of my area leaders, I appeal to you with folded hands. With folded hands, your area leaders are taking tremendous pain to support you, to guide your districts and clubs, multiple chairpersons and multiple coordinators. Of course, they are not elected, so all these my folded hands. Of course, Bhimaiah, you take these folded hands to whenever they are elected and appointed. Their report will come to the area leader, and of course, whatever initiative we start, that will go through the district coordinators to the clubs. Now here, let me tell you, you are so lucky, you are so wonderful that your area leader Bhimaiah, and of course for LCI Babu Rao, they have been working tremendously hard. I can vouch when I see the Global Action Team groups, WhatsApp groups in your multiple, or maybe his communication, his reports that come to me. I'm really wondering, Bhimaiah, you could have been a CA leader also. You're working so hard. My compliments to you. Please support him and make best use of the fortunately that you have such an area leader, and you can see the miracles happen. Further to area leader, we have in our constitutional area 16 area leaders, 15 multiple districts, 11 in India, 4 outside India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and 1 area is Middle East that we have. 16 area leaders report to the constitutional area leader, and so on and so forth. And of course, I have to regularly report to our Global Action Team chairperson, Lion Kajit Habanananda, who is also supporting us. See, we are so fortunate that people who are supporting from above, whether it is chairperson or whether it is Mumbai office or whether it is LCI headquarters. Let me name Nilofer Baria is there, Sunaina is there, and at headquarters Michael Dimaria is there, Noel Mason is there. They are supporting us tremendously. Our chairperson Kajit is ready, and he's just asking, what else do you want? That is our luck. And down the line, Bhimaya is there to pass on all those things to you. We are really a very, very good team. Now, to support the entire structure, we have ambassadors in past international presidents, international directors, past international directors, and past district governors. They are our ambassadors. Wherever they go, wherever they are there, please don't hesitate to ask them whatever you want or whatever are your feelings about the Global Action Team initiative. Give them feedback, because we would be time to time asking them for their feedback so that we can serve you much, much better. At this juncture, I'll take 1 minute pause. Bhimaya, if you see any hands raised or if any doubt is there, I can take a pause for 30 seconds. Otherwise, I can go a little further. I think I'm clear up to now, Bhimaya.
Yes, sir. Wonderful, sir. Fantastic. Nagaraj garu, your hand center raise ayina sir, okasari chudandi.
1 second. Yes, there are some.
Okay, what we can do is ask them to put their questions in the chat box. And from the chat box, in the end, we can take questions. We can take 1 or 2 questions now. And if there are many, we can take last 5 to 10 minutes some questions.
There are some 5 or 6 questions. There is a question from past district governor M.S. Johar.
Okay.
Lion M.S. Johar, I'm unmuting you, and you can unmute yourself. You can switch on your microphone and speak.
Good evening, Johar.
Good evening, sir. How are you? Good evening,
Fine,
Randerbhai. How are you?
We have fine. We have wonderful people in the team. Yes, Johar, go ahead.
Yeah. So my basic question is, in this virtual meetings, how can we motivate? I'm talking as a past governor. How can we motivate the real GAT team in the club level, sir? Because the idea is what, another 3, 4, 5, 6 months we are thinking we'll have only this kind of meeting, sir. It's only a question, sir. Idea BG. How do we do it?
Great. Very, very good question, George sir. We are all worried how can we have that personal touch that we have of motivating people. But let me tell you, we just can't wait. Now, these are our initial times. Through virtual meetings, at least you can keep people connected, people motivated, people active. And as a time comes, we may not have a larger gathering, but we can definitely have smaller gatherings in each district, maybe at zone level. Now, for that is what I'm saying. We, as a coordinator, we need to invite the zone chairperson. Let us train them virtually. Let us train the zone chairpersons virtually, and we divide those virtual meetings, Zoom meetings or webinar meetings, and these zone chairpersons can be empowered along with you as a district coordinator. You can have zone-wise meeting and try to pass on this information to all our presidents. Of course, actual on-site meetings or activities, that goals clubs will have to set, and whatever difficulty you identify, please pass on through our Bhimaya to us, and we will see that how better we can serve.
Sir,
Okay,
Ahmed Jabbar Khan has a question. I am unmuting Ahmed Jabbar Khan. So please switch on your microphone and speak into the camera. Ask straight the question.
Good evening, Khan sir. Good evening.
I think he's not able to do that. Maybe the next question is from Gunda Lakshmaya. Lion Gunda Lakshmaya, I am unmuting you. Please switch on your microphone and speak.
Yes, Leader Gunda Lakshmaya. Welcome and good evening.
No, I think he's not able to do that. Lion Suresh
Okay,
Jagnani has a
Nagaraju,
question.
what we can do is, in the end we will try to answer their question. But let me tell you, ask them to send all these questions to you, and we will reply to them by email or something. Ask them to put their question, put their email ID or WhatsApp number, and we'll try to communicate to them through WhatsApp. Definitely, I assure you that their doubts will be clarified. Okay. Let me move a little further. Is it okay?
Sir, take this one question from
Yes.
Suresh Jagnani.
Yeah,
Suresh
yes.
Jagnani.
Yes, Suresh, come. Yeah,
Suresh
yeah.
ji,
Good
I
evening,
unmuted.
Suresh.
Suresh ji, please speak. You have
Jagnani
to
sir.
switch on your microphone.
Jignani Sahab, good evening.
Some people might have, by mistake, they might have pressed this hand symbol, sir. I don't understand. Okay, sir. Go ahead,
I
sir.
can understand.
We'll take it at the end, sir. We'll
Okay.
take it.
Let's go to the next. Now, let me tell you what we have been talking about. After all, what is our global action team? What is our purpose? What is the I would say, intention behind this global action team? Our focus areas are 4. Let me tell you, our means it is not LCI, it is each and every one of you. The global action team, field team. Now, please, I will not repeat it again and again. All of you are the field team. All of you are the global action team. Global action team is nothing different. It is not the chairperson. It is not the constitutional area leader. It is not the area leader. It is each and every person, even at the club level. The global action team, chairperson, GSC, GMT, GLT. They are all global action team. So what is our purpose at area level? Our purpose is to support the district in achieving their annual goals and monitoring their progress. Now, let me tell you, all the district governors, from time to time, our area leader will visit you, will inform you about the success of your goals. It may be membership goal, it may be membership addition, it may be membership droppage, it may be club extension, or it may be learning opportunities, it may be service goals, or for that matter, it may be LCI goals also. And also, of course, you will be having your multiple goals or your own district goals. And at the club level, clubs may have their own goals. See, let me make it very clear. We are not making it very, very stringent that international has so many goals. International has asked district governors to specifically give 2 main goals. One is the membership goal, right from addition, deletion, club extension to net growth. And second goal that international has asked you is about LCI contribution. So from time to time, we will be monitoring. Even your learning goals, our area leader Bhimaya will supply to each coordinator and each district governor as to how far we have reached. Every quarter, or for that matter, Bhimaya has an habit that every month or every fortnight, he keeps on sending the report. This is our achievement. This is what is lacking. This is what we need to do. So similarly, every quarter, we will give you the comparison. What was the goal set by you? Where have you reached? Whether it is plus, minus, and then we would like you to give your feedback that why have you not been able to achieve your goal, or if you have exceeded the goal, what is that happened that you exceeded the goal? Now, if you give those success stories to us, the success stories, we can share it with the other district governors throughout the world. In the Facebook, I'll come to that little later. Your success stories can be shared throughout the world, and people will learn from your success story. Now, if you have faced any challenge, and if you give us the feedback, we would also like to interact with other governors and ask how did they respond to these challenges. Now, those strategies can be also given to you so that you can really work towards your success. Now, all those things, when I say, it is very nice to hear those words: success, challenges, opportunities. But let me assure you, if we go in this planned manner, after all, we are an international organization. We are not a Chauka Mandal. You know, if you go in this planned manner, in a business-like manner, your life will be more easy. If you go in a planned manner, the work you can accomplish in 1 hour. Otherwise, it is going to take the whole day. So, is this planned action plan, support from our area leader is definitely going to help you. Now, he will help you in, making your goals come true. But at the same time, he is going to monitor the progress from time to time. Second, our focus is going to be reinforce club level communications through the zone chairs to provide initiatives, resources, and suggested activities. As you are aware that there are many programs that are coming up from Lions Clubs International. All those programs we would pass on to the district governors and to the coordinators. Now, unless and until we involve zone chairperson, it is going to be very challenging to reach those goals to the clubs. Now, let me give you one example. Now, suppose we have taken a goal of, say, 100 members net growth in our district. Is it okay? Okay, now this information is passed on to all the club presidents. Now, the club presidents may or may not open your mail, may or may not see your WhatsApp. Just keep it like that. So the communication is incomplete. Now, here, if those goals are passed on through the zone chair, and zone chairs make it small goals. Now, 5 clubs are with a zone chair. Now, if a goal is taken up by club, 2 members, 3 members, 1 member, 1 club, or whatever it is, and then zone chairperson. Now, in our zone advisory meeting, I'll give you one example. Now, what is our agenda? How PO finished? मैंने ये activity किया, वो किया, खत्म. So, go beyond that. If he takes up, the zone chairperson takes up global action team goals and all our initiatives seriously, whatever information is, his zone advisory meeting becomes very interesting. You know, it is not only reporting and go back. It is giving them information, asking them their challenges, asking what their needs are. The zone advisory meetings are going to become very interesting. Similarly, the regional staff meetings will become more attractive. And for that, my dear field members of Global Action Team, whatever information is there, of course, if you try to reach the clubs, it is also okay. But the follow-up is going to be done by zone chairs. You know, then it is 100% sure shot effort. You may inform the clubs, it is okay. But through zone chairperson, you keep the regular touch. You have little lesser people to report and to communicate. That is how we will be going. That is what is expected. Support LCI divisions by creating a formal feedback loop between clubs and LCI. Now, if we want the information from clubs to reach Lions Clubs International or from Lions Clubs International to clubs, this is the loop. Zone chairperson through the MD coordinator, through the area leader, to the MD coordinator to district coordinator to zone chairperson to club. Just see how beautifully this structure is designed and make easy to reach the people. And lastly, most importantly, as I told you, share the success stories and clubs and districts with Lions around the world. We have various media through which each and every club success can reach throughout the globe and have that pleasure of the world sharing your successes. Okay, now campaign 100. All of you are aware that it is there. LCIF Foundation is our charitable arm which supports our various initiatives. The larger projects, why larger projects? Even in Corona, you might have seen, wherever there has been an application, LCIF has come immediately to support your local need. Similarly, in any emergency, God forbid that any disaster happens, but if it happens, LCIF is there to give you emergency grant. There are various grants which are available, which are supported by foundation. But now if foundation keeps on giving and giving, how is that kitty is going to get exhausted very soon? So we have launched a campaign 100. A lot has been talked about it last 3 years. We have extended the campaign 100 target to be achieved by 2022. it was to end in 2021, but now because of this COVID, we have extended to 2022. Now it will be our duty also to see to it that we get good support for Campaign 100 through Melvin Jones Fellows, through, I would say, model clubs, or through individual donations. We can definitely, and that will be a story, because Campaign 100, we have been successful in past. This success, we can tell the world that we are capable of raising $300 million. $300 million. It amounts to 2,000 crore rupees that will come into our KT. And then you will see that all your projects, whether it is diabetes project, whether it is hunger project, whether it is childhood cancer, environment, and vision, all those projects can be supported through this Campaign 100 KT. Friends, going a little further, as I told you in the beginning, our district governor is the chairperson of Global Action Team, and he will plan, of course, with the support of the area leader, he will have a plan ready about the development and execution of your district goals by engaging the Global Action Team. Now, when you plan your goal and when you make your action plan, Global Action Team is at your back. Now, whether it is leadership training, whether it is membership conclaves, or whether it is organizing service projects, or whether it is increasing the visibility in the community, Global Action Team has tools and resources to support all your dreams come true. You just plan. What I'm trying to tell you, you just plan and act. Your action will create an impact. I'll come to that little later. Your action is very, very important. And when you plan, you just be relaxed, you just be comfortable that your Global Action Team is at your back to support you. This Global Action Team is your driving force. You know, Global Action Team will make your goals into action. As I told to you, I think I have invested good amount of time in the role of the zone chairperson. That is a superb link between LCI and the clubs. It is not only the link between district and club. Let me tell you, if the district governor has to send a report, or you as a district coordinator have to send a report to the multiple coordinator, or a district governor to a council chair, and then you try to talk to all the 50, 60 or 100 clubs in your district, it is very difficult. You may get 10% information, 20% information, and you get fed up. And then what happens? Many a times district coordinators or district governors just imagine an imaginary report is sent a little further without naming what are the challenges, what are the successes, and then what happens? These imaginary reports reach higher. And when they go higher, we assume, at LCI assume that everything is good. सब अच्छा चल रहा है, अभी कोई चिंता नहीं है. And then वो क्या होता है? एक ड्रीम वर्ल्ड तैयार हो जाता है, और ड्रीम वर्ल्ड तैयार होने के बाद LCI सोचता है कि सब चीज ठीक चल रही है. Everything is going on well. All our programs are being accepted, and that is where we fail. And that is why, इसलिए मैं आपको पुनः एक बार कहता हूं कि इन जोन चेयरमैन का ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल, अगर ग्लोबल एक्शन टीम की जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप इनका ध्यान रखें. एंड बी ऑनेस्ट, बी ट्रूथफुल. जो भी डिफिकल्टी हम आप आगे बताइए. हम सोचते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या हम इसमें बदलाव ला सकते हैं और अच्छा सक्सेस हम पा सकते हैं. गोइंग लिटिल फर्दर, इट इज ऑलवेज अ टीम. हम एक साथ काम करेंगे. जैसे कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर है, मल्टीपल की जो गैट टीम है, हमारे जो एरिया लीडर है, और जो हमारे साथ जो टीम है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एरिया लीडर के साथ, हमारे एरिया लीडर के माध्यम से हमारे काउंसिल चेयरमैन और मल्टीपल कोऑर्डिनेटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर काम करेंगे. और हमें सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमारे जो LCI का स्टाफ स्पेशलिस्ट है, वो हमेशा सदैव तैयार है. और ये सब हम एक साथ काम करेंगे तो कहीं वो एक्शन होगा. और ये दोनों तरफ है. अगर हम साथ में काम करेंगे तो एक्शन होगी, और एक्शन होगी तो हमें कठिनाइयों का महसूस होगा, और फिर हम आपको सॉल्व कर सकेंगे. सो इट इज ऑलवेज अ टीम वर्क. कोई भी अकेला अगर काम करने जाएगा तो हम जो सोचते हैं वह सक्सेस हमें मिलना बहुत असंभव है. और इसलिए मैं सोचता हूं कि हमें टीम में काम करना चाहिए, और उसी से हमको एक्शन मिलेगी और हमको रिजल्ट भी मिलेंगे. अभी यहाँ पर मैं 1 मिनट के लिए आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा. आई वुड लाइक टू अट्रैक्ट योर अटेंशन कि इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडरशिप टीम हमको अपॉइंट करनी चाहिए, और टीम अपॉइंट करके उनको मॉनिटरिंग, सपोर्टिंग और मेंटरिंग के लिए ये हमारी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है. आप सभी जो कोऑर्डिनेटर है, मैं आपसे एक बार रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि आपको जो जिम्मेवारी हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर ने दी है और क्लब लेवल पर क्लब के कोऑर्डिनेटर को जो दी जाएगी, आप बेशक फ्रैंकली गवर्नर के साथ शेयर करिए कि यह जिम्मेवारियां आप ईमानदारी से निभा पाएंगे या नहीं. इफ इट इज गोइंग टू बी चैलेंज, गिव हिम फ्रीडम टू रिप्लेस योर टीम और गिव यू असिस्टेंट. नॉट नेसेसरली रिप्लेस, पर आपको कोई असिस्टेंट की जरूरत है तो वह टीम आपकी तैयार होनी चाहिए. मैं तो एक स्टेप आगे जाके कहूंगा, कोऑर्डिनेटर अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू टेक 1 or 2 असिस्टेंट, may not be given a definite position, लेकिन they may have been having some different designation in the cabinet, but take him into your team because it's a huge responsibility. यह बड़ी जिम्मेवारी है, दिखने को बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन अगर टीम से काम करेंगे तो it is going to be a very very simple job, and at the end of the year you will be happy. अगर if you find that a good number of clubs have succeeded in their goals and ultimately your district governor has succeeded in achieving his goal, you see the amount of satisfaction that you are going to get. You are going to be tremendously happy. Yes, I am a part of that success. And to be part of that success, just don't miss to make a good team. The GAT must serve as a support and development network for clubs and districts. मैं बार बार आपको कह रहा हूं कि हमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट से या क्लबों से there is no expectation. We don't expect anything. In fact, we are there to give and to support whatever the things are needed by the club and the districts also. ये मैं तो कहता हूं कि this is a powerhouse. Global Action Team is a powerhouse to empower. बहुत सही नाम हमारे आज के प्रोग्राम को हमारे एरिया लीडर ने दिया, गेट टू एम्पावर. इतनी बड़ी गेट है, ये तो खाली गेट अभी आप देख रहे हैं, इसके अंदर खजाना कितना है. There's lot of wealth inside this gate. Let's go a little further. Bhimaiya, just tell me how much time still I can continue.
Sir, another 10
Bhimaiya.
minutes, sir. Sir, another 10 minutes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, fine. So what we were saying, the Global Action Team engages in increase in member satisfaction. All the initiatives of Global Action Team, if you feel, it is just talking about involving members, whether it is service, whether it is leadership, or whether it is membership growth. Involving them, engaging them, and that gives us satisfaction to the members. And we lead by example and promote membership growth through service and leadership opportunities in districts and clubs around the world. That is what I have been telling you. When you work as a team, it gives real satisfaction to the members. Now, if you're going to some service activity, and if you start involving leadership and membership team, you see the member involvement increases, automatically the members get satisfied, and that is how the teamwork is achieved. As I told you a little while ago, that whatever are our successes, whatever are our efforts, Global Action Team has various communication plans. It is a regular newsletter, quarterly newsletter of Global Action Team. You can find a place in this newsletter. Also, share your success stories. Landing page will help you. Now, if you go to Global Action Team landing page, there are various resources available. There are various stories that are available. Please visit the landing page time and time again, and you will find what is happening throughout the world as far as Lionism is concerned. Of course, our Facebook is live, and you can connect, join this Facebook group of our Global Action Team, and regularly see what is happening. At the same time, share your successes with the people. Now, this I have been telling in my... Yes, please. Again, I'll come to one more important thing. Global Action Team cannot do anything unless and until there is an action at the club level. Because if there is an action at the club level, you will identify the need, you will identify the successes, and you will report to the district team. The district team will report to the area team. And that is how the involvement of the Global Action Team can take place. Unless and until there is an action to create an impact in the community, Global Action Team cannot thrive. Once the action starts at the club, you see how hard the global action team members are going to work. And of course, it is not only working at club level, it is informing the global action team, not only challenges, but your successes if you keep on sharing, because the success of one club can be known by the other club by sharing. If you share, global action team will see to it that your successes reach the other club. Similarly, your challenge, if you share with the global action team, they will understand what are your challenges, share it with the LCI or with other clubs and find out solutions and give you the solution. So this is how the entire cycle is going to work. Now, if you go into the deep details of GST, GLT, and JMT, I will not go into the details because I understand, Bimaya, in next 2-3 days, you are going to deal in details about the GST, GLT, and GMT. Am I right? Am I right, Bimaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yes.
I'll just not go into the details, but tell you that what is after all GST? GST is going to facilitate the resources. Now, if a club wants to plan an activity, now in advance, through these GST resources, you can plan entire your activity, even to the extent of sending invitations to people about your activity. Now, those much resources have been developed by our association. Not only that, the association will give you facts and figures, what is happening worldwide in a particular activity, that is the data, which will be fed to you, that how many people need food, how many people are suffering from diabetes. This indirectly or directly will enthuse your club members to undertake more and more service projects. That is how this GST is also going to work. Now, working with governors and zone chairperson, the effectiveness of service projects. You know, when we work as a team, the impact of our service, the quality of our service will definitely improve when we are sharing and planning our activity. That is the benefit of the service reporting. Then we have various tools and resources. The team of global resources, of course, the district coordinators will be trained about the various resources, and these district coordinators will in turn train the club chairpersons of GST, GMT, GLT as to what all we have in our khajana. As I told you, this is a gate, and you will be opening up the wealth. तो पूरे गोडाउन में क्या भरा है वो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर आगे जाके हमारे मेंबर्स को बताएंगे. मैं खाली इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा कि माय लाइन हाउ टू रिपोर्ट, यह हमारे टूल में अवेलेबल है. इट कैन बी एक्सेस थ्रू द लिंक, बट आप लोग जब आगे के सेमिनार में इसको डिटेल में आप रन करिए कि कैसे रिपोर्ट करना है. व्हाई सर्विस रिपोर्टिंग मैटर्स, एक पीडीएफ फाइल है जिसको आप समझेंगे कि सर्विस रिपोर्टिंग से हमें कितना फायदा होता है. सर्विस रिपोर्टिंग हेल्प्स इन promoting CSR, promoting your sponsors, क्योंकि जब आप लोगों के सामने these figures of service, when you will put before the your donor, they will be more enthused. You know, these figures are going to help us measuring service impact. Now, whatever we have done, how much it has benefited, that also will come to know. सर्विस रिपोर्टिंग में हमें दो किस्म के अवार्ड्स है. द प्रेसिडेंशियल अवार्ड इज फॉर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्विस कोऑर्डिनेटर, जो जीएससी के कोऑर्डिनेटर है हमारे. टॉप 10 डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ईच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एरिया. इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एरिया, टॉप सर्विस रिपोर्टिंग, of course the numbers and the percentage, the top 10 will get the presidential award. And at the club level, club service chair agar kaam karta hai, Leo club president also, when top club service chair and Leo club president, they rank in the top 20 in constitutional area, will be given leadership award by our association. Just see how we are trying to support. Now, GST, I will not talk much about how the benefit of working together, because encouraging more service project drives membership growth. अगर member service में अगर हमको membership मिलना है, तो you have to take GMT chairperson along with you. Now, similarly, अगर keeping Lions engaged promotes member satisfaction. अगर आप GMT, GLT, GST, everybody goes together, it increases satisfaction level at each level also. And similarly, when GLT chairperson is moving through the GST chairperson in some service activity, and if he finds that he is a person, there is a person who is very much devoted but needs little more leadership training. It can be in anything. It can be in conflict management, it can be in time management. Immediately the GLT chairperson identifies that these persons need some training, and immediately the leadership training program can happen. So this is how, and once a trained lion will give you better impactful service. So it's a team. All three working together is benefit to each other. Similarly, benefits of GMT वही चीज है कि recognize and identify new areas. GMT को क्या काम करना है डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे, क्लब लेवल पे, कि हम कौन सी नई एरिया में लायंस क्लब खोल सकते हैं. That is the responsibility of the GMT chairperson. And similarly in club, the GMT chairperson has to identify कि how to motivate the members to get more and more members. Not only that, GMT role does not end at increasing members or increasing clubs. Also, you need to identify what is needed by the members. What are the values of the club members? What are the values of the members? And accordingly, try to see, guide the president or guide the district so that those needs are fulfilled by the club or by the district, and that helps membership retention. Promotes resources to better our district. There are several resources that I'm coming to in a minute. Those resources can you, as a GMT chairperson, try to see that they reach the club. That is very, very important. Drives member satisfaction. That is, I've already told you. Membership is critical to our association, etc. More members, more hands to service. That is a simple logic. And so it is membership development, membership growth, new club extension, and membership retention also. That is the GMT's role. Now, retention can happen through GLT and GST. That I've already made it clear. Similarly, now, there are so many report toolbox. You can go to the GMT toolbox. You can browse the website. There are so many resources available which can give you guidance in last 5 years what has happened, how the student members have come, how they have gone, what is the trend in last 5 years. The club health assessment, if you see how many clubs are reporting, how many clubs are not reporting, all those things are readily available in the GMT toolbox. Please visit the toolbox. As the time is short, in your GMT next meeting, your GMT coordinator will, or area leader will deal through all those details of availability in the toolbox. Membership growth event toolbox. Now CQI, you are aware, the blueprint for a strong, these all things are available in the toolbox which can help you to guide the clubs to organize various events for membership growth. See, so many things are there. So reports are there, insights are there. Now, how GMT helps people promote service projects as membership recruitment opportunities. You know, the GMT
Not able to
is behind the GST to organize the service activity. Pardon, sir?
बीच में वॉइस ब्रेक हुआ था सर.
Similarly, the role of the GLT. अच्छा, ठीक, अभी ठीक है? बस last 5 minutes of Bhimaiya, I'll finish in 5 minutes because you'll be going into the details of all this. Now, GLT identifies new leaders. मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा club level पर, if the GLT chairperson is active, he will identify which are the members who need leadership training. Similarly, at the district level, district coordinators, please identify in all the clubs. You will definitely find 100, 200 members who are very active, but they are not functioning effectively. Leadership training program for these leaders. There are various opportunities at leadership level. Of course, in next meeting, you will understand what are the avenues of leadership training. Of course, the LLC is also one, and you need to facilitate and organize this leadership program. Global leadership program, you know, there is a tool called district leadership assessment. You know, you go through this assessment and you'll find SMART goal and action template. What are the programs you can organize? Local training. Now here I'll take 1 minute. District governors, are you aware that local leadership training program, LCI training program are now possible. Now, if you want to organize ELLI, if you want to organize ALLI, if you want to organize FDI locally, so that, and of course they are not supported by any grant, But then if all those international programs they are organized, each and every member pays. You know, they have to pay heavily, they have to travel, they have to spend. So you can organize a local training program. The entire curriculum is given by LCI, and they get the LCI certificate of having participated in this program. In details, Bhimaiah, you can talk to our leaders. There are so many Lions Learning Center, as I told you. Now, two things I'll share with you. RLLI is a multiple level institute which is organized, for which $4,500. Your MCC, please tell Bhimaiah. Of course, you may have applied last year only for this year, for the incoming year. Last year, CA6, 100% multiple districts has availed that. And similarly, multiple district training for FPDG and SVDG. There is a grant, 80% of our multiple districts have availed it. Similarly, district level zone chairperson training. And this you plan immediately in the month of July or something. You train them. Out of 200 districts, very few districts have, first 200 districts get this grant. So now if you talk of our constitutional area, the world over 200 districts, so immediately district governors apply for it. In our CA6, 47% districts got this zone chairperson training. Now people are asking me that we missed it. Can you give from your budget or something? But it is very sorry that first 200 districts only get this award, get this grant. So please apply it immediately. Now, benefits of working together with GLT, GMT, GST that I've already talked to you. Empower your districts. There is club quality service journey. As I told you, GST book, zone chairperson ebook is there through which you can organize zone chairperson training. Empower your district. Again and again, I'm telling to you that district governor, our CA team or GAT team and GAT staff is there to empower the district and empower the district in assisting in removing all their challenges and create a network for new possibilities, for new programs. Also, a feedback from club to district to LCI, if it comes, it helps to assist you in achieving your goal. Zone chairperson training, as I told you, you will get a docket and all the districts, please apply. I'll go into the details of zone chairperson training a little later. Specialty club is an avenue. The various you can form for this specialty club. You can also have a grant. If you are sure that you're going to get 3 clubs or 2 clubs, you appoint one specialty club coordinator. There are 2 types of coordinators and 2 types of grant. You can take advantage of this grant also. GAT district funding is continuing, $500 that will come to you on submitting a story, but the story should be submitted in due time. This is the last year's slide, but this will be available up to 31st March 2021. Anyone can submit the story and the grant will come to the club. New club development workshop toolbox is there. Organize one in one of your GAT program. Bhimaiah, organize a new club development workshop, which will give you guideline how we can be a success in organizing a sustainable club. What is more important is a sustainable club. At this juncture, I will stop. I am sure there will be several questions, and it will be my pleasure. If the time is not permitting, Bhimaiah, ask them to put all the questions on your WhatsApp group, and I'm sure both of us will jointly try to satisfy each and every person. If there are suggestions, we'll talk to LCI. Friends, again, let me tell you, service is the backbone of our association. We exist because of service, but service can happen only and only if we have members. So service is the backbone. Service can happen only and only if we have members, and not only having members is enough. Members should be trained properly as far as the leadership is concerned. And if all these 3 components are taken care of, we have what is called, as I told you, clubs are our strong body. Unless and until clubs move, district is not going to move. Unless and until clubs are going to be active, districts will not become active. Once the clubs become active, automatically district's wheel will automatically start moving. Once the district wheel moves, and let me assure you, the international will have to move. But international is a very small body. District is a bigger body. International is 1. District is 750 and 48,000 clubs are there. So ultimately, if you want that G80 should move, international should move, the action has to happen at club. And you coordinators, you are the people who are going to move our association, drive, the club will drive our association. You will make the association move. With this, I thank Bhimaiah for giving me an opportunity. I know I have taken a little longer, but I'm sure you are going to take it a little further. I'm talking to the first multiple district, first area, and I'm talking to the people who have supported you, Bhimaiah, last year to really make miracles. 2021 is the year where I'm going to see your multiple district really grow. Thank you. Thank you, Bhimaiah. Thank you, Baburao. Thank you, Nagaraju. Thank you, Council Chairman Dr. Prakash Rao, and all the 7 district governors, district teams, and coordinators for listening to me, for giving me an opportunity to introduce GAT to you. Thank you. God bless you all.